And if you've been following the channel, I think you know that Ponte Vedra, I believe it must mean paradise. We got it all cleaned up. Right now we're gonna expand this bed. I'm gonna verify. Yes, you can add color to your yard in January. Call a pro. 904-321-9181. Now have all of the flowers, and these are actually flowering shrubs. A little bit. Okay. Check out the back. I think they're going to be really happy with the back. We always aim to exceed expectations. They had one expectation, and I'm glad I knew what they expected. Okay, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm going to get some soil and some mulch and a few more of those white flowers. Almost had enough. Gotta go get a few more white flowers, and now we have the plants installed. We added the fountain grasses around. We're gonna have asymmetric design. Got all the plants in. We'll be adding the mulch. Stay tuned. Along with the blue days in the middle and some pineapple guava shrubs. The pineapple guava, they make beautiful white and pink flowers, geraniums, and a short row of pineapple guava. Pineapple guava and geraniums. And this guy, I forgot his name. Starts with the D. Attracts butterflies. Was recommended to me by my plant supplier. We do a lot of these for our customers when they have the woods in their backyard. So that's been all cleaned up. We pulled out all the shrubs here, and gonna come up with some pine straw, and she wanted to do something in the back. More of the gardenia. It starts with the R. I can't remember the exact name. I'll put a link in the description. And then these are the more popular gardenias that you've seen. Wanted to add a little more height over here. And they make white flowers that are very aromatic. Good morning. I hope you enjoyed checking out this before and after. I love to hear what you think. Subscribe for more.